Hello there friends, Russ Sallow with GPS to Go, and we're going to show you this wonderful camera from Surfsight. The Surfsight system even comes with its own built-in GPS, so you can run this all on its own. One camera that will give you the benefits of a camera, plus you can get the basic GPS tracking you might be looking for. So if I put in my email address and my password, I'll agree to the terms. We log in. So if I click on Maps, currently my vehicle, we can see where it is in my driveway here, which is really great. And then if I click, I can see the trip that I did this afternoon, 7.32 miles, 24 minutes from 14:58 until 15:23. If I click on this, we're now able to see the breadcrumb trail of where I went. And anywhere along the line, I can zoom in. And if I click in here, I can open up the front camera. And this will take a second to load. It's going to show us the vehicle coming up. So it gives us the time and the date. So if I want, I can also then see the rear camera looking at me, the driver, during this trip. So here I am going up through the intersection. So I think it really does a great job of showing us the breadcrumb trail. Where did you start from? Where did you go? So in there, we're able to look at all the different recordings that the camera has done. So again, today I've got a number of them from 2 o'clock onwards. If I have any events, we'll be able to see those, your analytics, and then the settings. Wonderful. Russ Sallow here, GPS to Go, and now you know.